In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Facebook account. If you have recently deactivated your Facebook account and you're trying to know how you can again reactivate it, then in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. Now, before you reactivate your account, the one thing that you need to know is that if you did deactivate your account and it has been more than a month, then your Facebook account has been deleted. So if someone deactivates their account and if they don't reactivate it within a month, their account will be deleted. But if it's not been a month, you can easily reactivate it. You can first open up your Facebook app, and if you have any accounts logged in, you can log out first. So just tap on log out and tap on log into another account. And from here, the only thing that you need to do is fill in your details and then log in normally as you do. So there are no any steps that you need to do to reactivate it. You just need to type in your email address or your mobile number associated with your account and type in the password and then just tap on login, and your account of Facebook will be successfully reactivated. So that is the process of reactivating your Facebook account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this.